Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have got another mystery box, and this one's from a brand I have never done before. Let's grab it. And this is from Milk Makeup, so I have never personally ordered any mystery items from them. I don't know if they've done this before, and of course, because I am filming this, it's already sold out. But I wanted to let you guys know what I got, and that way if they do pop up again, you can kind of know, is it worth your money or not? This one was $59, so it was a little pricey, but you got 4 full-size items plus 3 fun samples in a rad holographic bag for $59. This is just like how it goes for me. By the time I get a mystery bag, it's sold out or it's in stock the moment that I'm filming, and then by the time I upload, it's gone. But that's just the way it goes. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, here's our box. Okay, so this is the bag that I saw pictured. It's like a little holographic bag. This is actually really cute, but I love the holographic feel. It's very Milk Makeup. I thought it might have the logo or something on it, but there aren't any products in it. The products are actually in the box in another bag. So I guess a bonus, I got a second bag, and let's see what we got. Also, sorry if it feels like I'm rushing through this. There is a pretty good chance I'm just gonna run late today. You know, that's just how it goes. All right, so we first got a little card. I hope this isn't one of the items, but this is like the Flex Foundation Stick Sampler. I actually have this and I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna toss this in my next giveaway, and hopefully you guys can just try it out for yourself. We got the Milk Kush Clear Brow Gel. Ooh, this one I am excited about. I believe this might be a full size because, you know, obviously it's a brow gel. I'm not sure, but that's what it is. I'll find everything online and put the prices on the screen and then add up the value. So I actually haven't put any, oh, it's got the little teeny brush. I haven't put any brow gel in, so I'll actually do that really quick. So far, so good. We got a eye pigment, and this is in the shade Hotel Lobby. So here is the pigment itself. I've had one of their eye pigments before. This one is definitely a full size. I've had one before, but it was like a dark color that I didn't really use. It was just like this really dark eggplant, and I just never really liked the color. Wow, this one's really pretty. So that's Hotel Lobby. It is super shiny. I actually like that. And what like a quick easy way to do your eye too. Like that's kind of what I did today, but with a loose eyeshadow that I got in my Ipsy bag. But you could definitely like throw this on the lid, maybe put a little something in the crease, mascara, and your eyes are done. So this is the Roll and Blot 100% unbleached hemp papers on skin to remove excess oil. I'm obviously not oily now because like I've just put a little bit of makeup on, but this would be really nice. It's super small and convenient. Uh-oh. Well, this box is a little delicate, so be careful. That's cute. Oh my god. I get it now. It looks like rolling papers. Wow. I shouldn't know that. And you just pull it out. Oh my god. That's so funny. Cute. I don't know if that's the full-size item or not. I can't really tell because there's some other stuff in here. All right, next we got the Milk Cooling Water Stick. I actually have one of these as a full size, and I've been trying to like hurry and use it because mine's getting a little dry because it's old. So I'm going to keep this one sealed up and then go through that other one so that I can start using this, because recently I found that the more I use it, the more I like it. I think for the longest time I was just like, oh yeah, it's nice, but I didn't really start using it. But I love it for makeup prep. Like if I've done my skincare and it's been a little while and I want to infuse that moisture into the skin, this is a great way to do it. It's super easy. It's like swipe, 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 and then you can blend in. I'm really excited that I got this because I was really sad that my other one was getting super dried out. All right, we have a Kush mascara in the little mini size. So I believe I have a full size of this, and I will put this in my giveaway coming up soon because I think you guys should definitely be able to try it. I really like this mascara. Like, it's not dry, it's not clumpy, it gives good volume, and it conditions your lashes too. So yeah, a mini size of that, but I'm still really happy to get a Kush mascara. Some little stickers in here. This is the Lip and Cheek Stick. Okay, this is a mini as well. So here is that little mini stick. But I feel like this could go a long way. This is how much like product you get into it. So it's not like a super tiny sample or anything. I'm gonna swatch it on my other hand. Should have put this on my cheeks today. But that's what it looks like, and then we'll kind of blend, just kind of rough blend it. Oh wow, that blends so effortlessly. I was literally just like throwing it around, but that actually blends really nicely. And I have been liking some more cream products lately. In the past, I have been like strictly like powder blush. I don't want to touch it. I don't want anything like grabbing or getting weird. But if it's the right product, it can work beautifully and make your skin look so like juicy and glowy and yeah, all that good stuff. So let's see. Next we got the Milk Glitter Stick in the shade Techno. I feel like there's a good chance I have a mini of this. I'm gonna check. And then if you guys didn't get a good look at it, this is the bag that everything actually came in. Oh, and it's recyclable. It's eco-friendly, BPA-free, phthalate-free. And yeah, it's a pretty cool bag too. 2 bags. Okay, so if I have this product somewhere, I don't know where it is, and if I do, it's definitely a small one and it's probably old. So yeah, this is a good way for me to just replace it. Once you take the lid off, they always have like that little plastic cover on it too, so that way it's not been getting dried out. Oh my god, like the plastic cover is like stuck to it to the point where it's like pulling the whole stick out. Okay, I finally got it. Man, that was on there like sealed up good. I kind of tore the top of it up a little bit. That's gonna be okay. So I put it on my arm there. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right through here. I don't know that I've ever paid these that much attention because I was just like, oh, glitter stick, I'm not into it. But you know, if you were going for a glittery moment, if you were going to a festival or like even holidays, because this one's really cute. It's got like purple, green, and gold shift to it. Like if you were going for like a festive, super festive holiday look, then you could definitely use that for this. You could definitely like throw it on the top of your cheekbones if you want. It is a little bit creamy, but I'm definitely excited to try this out a little bit more because like I said, the other one, if I have it, it's old and I probably barely used it. So I'd love to try this out a little bit more. And now that I have one that's not dried out like the one in my drawer probably is. So let's kind of recap what we got. So the major things, of course, we got the glitter stick and we got the cooling water stick. Those are both full sizes, and I think those would probably make up the cost of the bag if I'm not mistaken. We also got the eye pigment, which looks really gorgeous, definitely a full size. We got Kush mascara and the little lip and cheek in mini sizes. Then we got the blotting papers. Those are so funny. And then we also got the Kush clear brow gel. I don't know that I would purchase like their mystery bag again, even though it's got some fun stuff in it. I love Milk products, but I think I would just probably purchase the things that I want. I don't know, that's just me. It was still really fun to unbox it. And then of course we got our 2 bags as well. So that is everything that I got in this Milk makeup mystery bag. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this. Let me know what you think. If it pops up again, would you take a chance on it for $59 or would you say a pass? So that's it. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing amazing. Thank you again so much. I love you guys. I hope you're having an amazing day and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.